Greetings and welcome back to my channel, Trisha Bakes. Today we're going to be making a marble cake. In my bowl I've got 360 grams of butter and 450 grams of granulated sugar, which I'm going to beat together until it's all smooth and creamy. Making sure that you scrape down the bowl in between beating, just to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. I'm now going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of almond flavouring. I'm also going to add roughly a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, I've got 360 grams of plain flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 150 grams of ground almond. I'm going to use a whisk to mix this all together, just to remove any lumps. I'm now going to be adding 6 eggs, one at a time, with a tablespoon of the flour mixture, making sure each egg is well incorporated into the butter mixture before adding another one. Once all the eggs have been mixed in, I'm just going to go ahead and dump the rest of the flour mixture into the batter using a spatula to mix it all together. I'm now adding 4 tablespoons of semi-skimmed milk, just to loosen up the batter slightly. I'm splitting the batter in 2. I like to have slightly more of the vanilla batter, as the chocolate batter can be quite overpowering. To create a chocolate batter, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of boiling hot water to 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. After mixing the cocoa powder into a paste, I'm then going to add it to 1/2 of the batter. I'm going to mix this in to create our chocolate batter. I'm now going to add dollops of each batter, just in random formation, to my 10-inch baking tin, which I've buttered and lined with parchment paper.
Now I'm just using a chopstick to create this intricate pattern in my batter, and afterwards I will be putting it in the oven at 160 degrees to bake for an hour. Of course, everyone's oven is different, so be sure to check your cake at the 50-minute mark. Ta-da! Time for the big reveal.
You know where this one comes from? But you don't know. That's when Super Mario Bros. 3, when you're in a car, where it goes. Why is it like that? You know how both of us got Creator Cola? I went to the fridge, took one, it was Creator Cola. So then I just realised that this one, I knew I should have taken this one. Because I took around for this orange.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Until next time, blessings.